the towels that were on the line.
Oh, jeez.
That was like in our backyard.
This is insane.
This is going on YouTube.
Oh, there's the. Is that the towels?
Yes, they are. Dude, they're drenched. There's no way they're going anywhere. They're probably dripping wet. Yeah, I was thinking on the line very well, though. Homo.
I put them on there with 2 pins.
You're supposed to use 3. Yes. Whoa.
It's crazy. Whoa, that was close to the big thing. Right there. I'm off, just flew in my mouth.
Yeah, you're a homo. Look at Chandler, he's a homo. He's the Zack the Turtles guitar guy.
I'm getting really wet.
Don't be such a homo. Back off, then I'm not even getting wet.
Whoa, dude.
Dude, I was so bad, I don't even think the camera got it. Crap. Holy crap. The floor is like shaking.
Holy crap! Screw that! Okay, well, yeah, it's time to close that.
Say bye, Chandler.
Bye.